getting set up to blow the rest of this tree top out. We're no longer going to take any more branches, just going to go ahead and take the whole top because it's too dead to go up any higher safely. It's got it tied up there, you can see. It's going to add a secondary safety line to be able to pull it out in the yard. He's going to actually cut it right there in just a minute. Placing his pie cut in the top. When this tree top blows, there are going to be pine cones that blow absolutely everywhere. The top is covered in pine cones when it was struck by lightning. So it died with all those cones still attached to it. You can see right where his hands are, right near where the lightning actually hit the tree. He's got his pie cut done. He's about to cut the whole rest of the top. Quite a ways up there, as you can see. There it goes.
How about that?